Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dave coming at you with another video. No? I thought that was good. It wasn't good? Anyway, we got a brand new pair of headphones in the studio. The most versatile pair of headphones that you can find. All under 50 bucks with no bulky case. You don't gotta pull, just like the AirPods, you don't have to pull them out of the case and put them back in. Look no further than the Beats Flex for under 50 bucks. Apple has decided to include less in the box. So we went from there being no headphones in the box to them giving you a dongle to there being no dongle in the box to there being no fast charging brick. And now there's no charging brick, just a USB-C to Lightning port connector. For some of you that may not have an option of headphones or may not have an old pair of, wired earpods hanging around, you may be left without a solution if you get one of the newer models of the iPhone. Apple knows exactly what they're doing. I don't know if anybody knows this, but in the month of October, Apple actually removed every non-Apple and non-Beats branded headphones or speakers from their shelves or from their online store. So brands like Bowers & Wilkins, Bang & Olufsen, Logitech, Sonos speakers, all these things were removed from Apple's online store. So if you're deciding to get one of the newer iPhones, you may be left without an option for headphones. So check out the review. Let me know what you guys think about these.
So I decided to get the Beats Flex in the Yuzu yellow. I'm not going to be keeping them. I'm mostly just likely going to be giving them over to my wife. Yellow is not my favorite color, but for some reason it's hers. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys, let you guys know what's inside the box. For those of you guys that are interested in purchasing these, the Beats Flex come with Apple's W1 chip. So this is the exact same chip that was in the first generation of AirPods. That's the one without the wireless charging case. And they allow you to be synced up automatically to every other connected Apple device, on your iCloud. So it helps you with with longer battery life and a better wireless range for your headphones and your products as well. So the Beats Flex gives you 12 hours of listening time compared to the 8 hours that you first received when the Beats X first came out. And they're claiming that for every 10 minutes that you charge it, you get an hour and a half of playback time with the Beats Flex. Now these do come in at 50 bucks, as I stated earlier, compared to the price of the Beats X when they first came out at the price of $150. So this is a huge deal for those that aren't looking to spend too much, that just want something that just works, an everyday use for their headphones. This is the way to go. So after opening the box, you are greeted with some instructions, some play and pause instructions, telling you where the mic is, the left and right. And here you have the headphones. And if you're someone that's never really liked the aesthetics or the wave of AirPods or just how they look or feel, this is going to probably be the best option for you if you're looking for something that's just in sync with Apple's ecosystem. So the button placement for the Beats Flex did change up a little bit from the Beats X. So on the left-hand side, you're going to have the speaker grill, the charging port, and also your volume up and down. And on the right side, you're going to be getting the power button. So how do they fit? They fit just right. Actually, let me take that back. They fit awesome. It doesn't solely depend on an extremely tight seal as other true wireless earbuds do. My biggest gripe with the other true wireless earbuds has always been the fit. I've heard so many that sound awesome, but after a few minutes, they just end up hurting your ears. So if you're someone that's looking for a noise canceling type of seal, you're not really gonna get it with these. With these, it's more so, you block out a little bit of ambient noise, but if a baby's crying or if someone's calling you in the kitchen, you can hear them loud and clear. But one thing I do like about these, just take them right out of the ear when you're done, and they magnetically attach right back to one another. One thing I do like about these, I've never had an instance with where they just keep falling out of my ears like other wireless headphones. And in an area where I thought there could have been a little bit more innovation on Apple's part is if there were touch controls built in to the earbuds themselves. So tap to play and pause, double tap to skip the track, triple tap, to go back a track. I feel like that would have been an awesome move, especially with the way that other wireless headphones are going, like the Sonys, the Sennheisers. So this would have been something pretty cool. I can't stress enough how convenient the neckband style is, especially with me over here trying to work my camera, trying to fix it, trying to get in the right position, and yet I never really had to reach in and out of my pocket to take the headphones out of my pocket. They were just magnetically attached to around my neck. So that's something that's super convenient if you are considering or strongly thinking about getting the Beats Flex for your new iPhone. And what about the sound? To be honest, they sound just fine.
And that's exactly how they sound. Just fine. So the gripe with Beats has always been their sound quality was never accurate. It was kind of like they favored a certain genre of music or a certain population of people who listen to a certain genre of music. So if you didn't listen to that type of genre of music, or if the music that you listened to was not lending to Beats' sound profile, it was very difficult for you to enjoy Beats in the past. But since Apple purchased Beats, Beats has a very flat sound signature across the highs, the mids, and the lows. No region is overextended in my opinion. So when I first got interested in music, I loved the Beats sound profile. I just loved that extensive, overemphasized bass that they were just pumping in to my ears. But as my listening and my appreciation for the music began to grow, I began to appreciate things more like a broader soundstage, the vocals, the instrument separation, the other instruments that are being played in the music. All these things are key factors for me when I'm listening to music. And the Beats Flex, they do it just right. If you're someone that's where sound quality is the most important thing in your headphones purchase, Beats Flex may not be the option for you. But if you're looking for like an everyday use, an everyday carry, something that you can use every day, have them on, forget about them, especially for someone that loses headphones a lot. And you can go there an entire day and forget they're even around your neck and be like, hey, here they are, got them. But like I said earlier, if you're leaving the Apple store with a newer version of the iPhone lineup, you're not gonna have headphones in the box. And if you had a choice to leave with a pair of $250 AirPods Pro, $200 AirPods, or $50 Beats Flex, I think the decision's already made for you. So if you're someone that wants to buy something and never have to worry about buying it again, I'm your guy. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I do post a ton of headphone reviews, got a whole bunch more coming up. So let me know what you think in the comments section. And again, this is Dave. Thanks for watching.